Namaskaram to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will have a deeper look at the purusharthas which we have discussed in the previous video. Humans are endowed with buddhi because of which pursuit is possible in humans. Pursuit is possible in humans because they are endowed with intelligence. So we can decide what we want to pursue and what we don't want to pursue. Primarily, humans are endowed with consciousness because of which they know that they are. You know that you are. I know that I am. I know I am, but I don't know who I am. That is why we say that we have partial knowledge. But this partial knowledge can be converted into complete knowledge or full knowledge by the study of Vedanta. Secondly, humans have discriminative knowledge. By discriminative knowledge, we know what is right and what is wrong, what is good and what is bad, what I should seek and what I should not seek, what I should do and what I should not do. Even our words and actions are governed by this knowledge of what is right and wrong. But most of the times, what we do and what we don't do, and our actions and our words are governed by our emotions. Our words and our actions must conform to Dharma, and we will learn Dharma as we progress in the study of Vedanta. The third reason why humans have this pursuit is because we have willpower. We have the willpower to do something, to achieve something. We also have the free will to decide whether we want something or we don't want something, whether we want A or whether we want B. So we have a lot of choices. Because of these qualities, humans can pursue, and as we have seen in the previous video, humans have 4 pursuits. The 4 pursuits are Artha, Dharma, Kama and Moksha. In this video, we will have a greater look and a deeper look into what is Moksha. Let me ask you a question. Are you happy now? Some of you will say yes and some of you will say no. Do you want to be happy? And the answer will be obviously yes, I want to be happy. Do you want to be happy now and forever? Then your answer will be yes, of course. I want to be happy now and forever. Do you want to be happy with everyone? Do you want to be happy in all situations? And the answer is yes, I want to be happy at all times with everyone and in all situations. That means you and I are eventually seeking freedom from unhappiness. Somewhere this unhappiness always comes, because of which happiness goes away. That is why I am always seeking freedom from unhappiness. I am always seeking freedom from the unwanted. This freedom that I am seeking from the unwanted, this freedom that I am seeking from unhappiness is called as Moksh. Eventually, we pursue Artha, we pursue Kama to achieve happiness, to gain happiness. That means the first and the second Purushartha are pursued to gain freedom from unhappiness. That means to gain moksha. Hence, can we not say that moksha is the absolute end? Because ultimately, that is what we are looking for. And once moksha is discovered, then there is nothing more that we need to do. That is why we call moksha as the absolute end. So that was just a brief snapshot of what moksha is. We will look at moksha in detail in the further study of Vedanta. I hope you have enjoyed listening to me. If you have liked the video, do press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, do comment in the comment section below. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.